Hi everyone, well my paper pumpkin just arrived. This is the June 2022 Pick of the Crop paper pumpkin kit and I wanted to show you what's inside. Okay, right off the bat let's look at that stamp set. We have Hello, that's a really cute font, isn't it? You're the pick of the crop, you're the sweetest, love you a whole bunch, thinking of you. You've got a strawberry and some blueberries. Cute little dots that you can add to anything, and then here's a little stem. Really sweet. Okay, our spot this month is Calypso Coral. Oh, this bag is a little bigger than I thought it would be. So I knew there was going to be a bag, but I didn't know how big. And there are our cute cards. Let's open this up. So you've got some linen thread. And some dimensionals. And here is a cute bag. Now, this bag is also going to be available for purchase separately. One of them comes in the kit. This would be a cute way to give them as a gift. You could give the cards as a cute little gift for somebody, and you can stamp it right on this bag too. So that's really cute. And but if you like this bag a lot, this would make really cute little gifts, gift bags. So you can get them separately, I think starting next week, but I don't know the price, unfortunately. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so here we have some things for our cards. Let me get myself some kind of order here. Here are the envelopes. Really cute, kind of watermelon-y looking. This looks like soft succulent with some stripe in there. And here are the bases. We've got I think there's 3 different ones. Okay, so here we've got this one. It's got some little farmer's stand little container. Oh, that's really pretty background. Looks like watercolor or chalk pastel. Okay, and then this one, oh, this is funny. Cute little picnic napkin looking thing here. And that's another one. Okay, so there's our card bases. And then you've got embellishment. So here's some vellum, and you can't see them, but they look like little garden stakes. And then some fun little pieces. Here's some bread. These are really funny. Cute little drawings. I love the way they are. They're real whimsical. They're real cute. Okay, so we've got some loaves of bread and some berries. There's 2 sheets of those. Okay, oh, look at this. Cute little stand. Little flower market. Some lavender maybe. 2 sheets of those. Some glue dots. Okay, 2 sheets. Is it 2 sheets or 3 sheets? Maybe more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a little extra on this one with the strawberries and the cheese. Really cute. So I'm not sure how they go together. Let's take a look. Okay, so you've got, oh, this looks like a little vellum bag, and you stick the bread inside there and a little bit of cheese, and some bread goes on this little cart, and some sayings. This is really cute. You're gonna have some extra pieces for sure because you got 5 cheeses and you're only using 3, and you're gonna have some leftovers, which is nice because you can use those in a little scrapbook page, maybe about gardening. So this is really cute. This is the Pick of the Crop June 2022 paper pumpkin. If you wish that you'd got it and you didn't, let me know. I always get extras, and maybe I have one left for you. And if you want to never miss a paper pumpkin, in my link of my video description, I'll add a link so you can subscribe and always get paper pumpkin coming to you in the mail. And you know what? I don't know if you're aware, but Paper Pumpkin has a Facebook group, Paper Pumpkin Fan Club, and Paper Pumpkin, they send you an email too when you subscribe every month, and they show you alternate ways to use the pieces. So you know, you're going to have leftovers like I mentioned, so they'll show you other ways to use these leftover bits and pieces, and it's always kind of fun to see what other people are doing with them on that Facebook group. And also there's a what am I trying to say? Pinterest. There's a Pinterest page of alternates as well. So it's really fun to see what those are. And if you can't find them, shoot me an email or make a comment, and I'll try and link those in the comments as well, because I want you to see those alternates. People come up with some really amazing things. And then, or you can, you know, if you're feeling like just making them as is, that's always good too. And then you always end up, after you're done with all your pieces, with a really fun stamp set that you can use again and again and again. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!